Hello everyone, this is Nouns Part 3, and I'm going to talk about countable and uncountable nouns. What is a countable noun? Well, most nouns are countable. A noun like tree is a countable noun because we can count it. For example, we can say, there is a tree in the field, or there is one tree in the field. Countable nouns can be singular, count as one, or plural, count as more than one. For example, singular, there is a tree in the field, or plural, there are 3 palm trees on the beach. Okay, now what are uncountable nouns? Well, uncountable nouns, like rice, are always counted as a group. They have a singular form, but they don't have a plural form. So we can say there is rice on the table, but we don't say there are rices on the table because uncountable nouns like rice have no plural form. Here are a few more examples of uncountable nouns: bread, butter, coffee, milk, seafood, furniture, jewelry, luggage, and money. Is there a way to count uncountable nouns? Well, yeah, there is. We use quantifiers to show an amount of something, such as some, a lot of, a little, a bowl of, a glass of, and many more. For example, I can say there is some rice on the table, or I can say there is a little rice on the table. And then, if I want to maybe count how much I have, I can say I eat a bowl of rice every day, meaning 1 bowl of rice. Or I can say I eat 3 bowls of rice every day. You see, I'm counting the bowls, not the rice. And the word bowl is countable, so I can add an S, or there is a plural form for it. Let's look at a few more examples. I can say there is some water in the glass, or I can say there is a little water in the glass. And like before, if I want to mention an amount of something uncountable like water, I can say I drink 1 glass of water every day, or I drink 3 glasses of water every day. Now, I'm not counting water, I'm counting glasses of water. And the word glass is countable, so I can count it. I'll tell you more about quantifiers in future videos. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching. Remember, keep practicing. See you next time.